In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move trash mail to your inbox in Gmail step by step. This is a super useful trick if you accidentally deleted an important email or if you just need to recover a message and bring it back into your inbox. The process is quick, simple, and you can do it from any browser in just a minute or two. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you directly to Gmail. Once the page loads, sign into your Gmail account using your email address and password if you are not already logged in. After you reach your inbox, look at the left-hand menu. If you do not see trash right away, click more to expand the list of folders. Under that menu, click trash. This will open the emails that have been deleted and moved into the trash folder. Now, find the email you want to restore. You can either open the email directly or select it using the checkbox next to it. If you want to restore just one message, selecting it with the checkbox is often the fastest method. Once the email is selected, look at the top of the page and click Move To. This option lets you send the email to a different folder in Gmail. From the list that appears, choose Inbox. As soon as you do that, Gmail will move the email out of trash and place it back into your inbox. That means the message is fully restored and easy to find again. If you want to verify it worked, go back to your inbox and you should see the email there. And that is all there is to it. You've now learned how to move trash mail back to your inbox in Gmail without any extra tools or complicated steps. This is a great way to recover messages you thought were gone, and it can save you from losing important information. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple Gmail and computer tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.